Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Now I know we're all in isolation and it's obvious because my beard is growing at a rate that I've never seen before. Today I'm going to be making hummus. Now having lived in the Middle East and spent time in Lebanon, I really discovered what real hummus actually tastes like. The ones from the supermarket aren't just quite the same. Now I'm going to be showing you a recipe using tinned chickpeas and tahini. Now I know there are longer methods of being able to make hummus using some dried chickpeas soaked overnight, but I find that if you've got friends coming over and you need to make a quick snack, using this recipe actually gets me a flavour that's pretty similar to what I experienced in Lebanon. So do give this one a go. Now remember, you can follow me on Instagram at Dishes with David, and if you are enjoying my videos here on YouTube, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, share the videos, and put comments down below. But for now, let's get cracking with hummus. So to get things moving, I'm using 1 tin of Tesco's organic chickpeas. I love these particular ones, but you can use any type of chickpea in a tin. We're going to strain these. If you're going to keep the juice aside, you can add 1 teaspoon of cream of tartar to the juice and whisk that up to create a vegan meringue. Then we're going to pop the chickpeas into a pot with some water above it, about 1 centimetre, and half a teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda, and let that boil and simmer for about 20 minutes. This makes the chickpeas nice and soft and to get ready to add into the blender later to make the hummus. So there you have it, really easy snack to make. Again, in time, in case people call you and saying we're coming over and you've got half an hour to put something together, it's really yum and easy. So I have my hummus here, I have my carrot stick. Good as gold. Highly recommend it. This is wonderful. It's really creamy, lovely texture. Tahini's beautiful, the lemon's beautiful. You can always add more lemon and salt as you please. But remember, if you're enjoying my videos, do hit that subscribe button and also follow me on Instagram at Dishes with David. So enjoy eating hummus and we'll see you next time. Ciao.